Hello parents and young friends. So finally the wait is over and COVID vaccination has been introduced for children now. At present for 15 to 18 year age group, and I am sure in next few weeks it will be extended for younger children also. So have you got your child vaccinated or do you have some queries in mind? Over last few days I have also received a number of queries and clarifications from my patients, and I thought why not have a short video to clear these clarifications. So first clarification question is, Doctor, I have learned that children do not get this infection, or if it happens it is very mild. So what is the requirement for COVID vaccination for my kid? And let me clarify here that it is not correct to assume that children do not get this infection. There is ample data and community surveys which have shown that children have same proneness to get infection as any adult. Agreed that usually severity is less, but it is not zero. Do you know in India till now, almost 2,000 children have died because of COVID infection in last 1.5 to 2 years. It is a big number. And especially those children who have some underlying disease like heart disease, kidney disease, lung disease are more prone for severe complications. Who can forget second wave when all pediatric ICUs were full and there was shortage of beds? So don't be in this doubt that children do not get this infection. Another important issue is, don't look at only the initial disease symptoms. There is ample scientific data to say that COVID has long-term complications also for children. Have you heard of a disease or condition called MIS-C? In this, after a few weeks of infection, children develop a life-threatening condition in which there is involvement and inflammation of lungs, heart, kidneys, and children are very, very sick at that stage. So, do not be under the impression that children do not get severe disease. Another important issue in this is that children, even if they get mild infection, but they can come back and give this infection to parents and grandparents at home. So they act as a good transmitting agent. And just imagine that if you protect your child with vaccination, you can send that child confidently to schools also. So it is important to understand that children also require vaccination. Second query is vaccine safe and effective in children? Here also I will say yes with a capital YES. Do you know millions of children have already been vaccinated in USA with any minimal side effects, and the side effects are common like with any vaccine. The child may have some fever, swelling, redness for a day or so, may not feel well. Even in India, the Covaxin vaccine has been amply studied in thousands of children for its safety and efficacy. Then only it has been brought to be given to children. So understand that it is a safe and effective vaccine. And the last question is hot topic for today. This third wave which has now started, it is assumed that mostly it is because of the new variant of Omicron. But I have heard that Omicron is a very mild disease. So why should I worry? Here also, you must understand that it has been till now shown to be a mild disease. But the way it is spreading, the huge numbers, just imagine how it is going to overwhelm our healthcare facilities. Many doctors and nurses have fallen ill now. And if a child requires a hospital admission, there will be very few beds available. The medical staff will also be busy or maybe gone into isolation. So don't be under any thought that Omicron does not require preventive steps. All COVID appropriate behavior of masking, hand hygiene, avoiding gatherings, good ventilation should be critically followed. Otherwise, even if very few percentage of people get sick, but the huge numbers of patients getting infected will really overwhelm our healthcare facility. So continue to take all steps to prevent COVID in yourself, in your family, and in your children. I hope that I have answered your query. Do you require COVID vaccination for your child? It is yes. So go to the nearest center today only and get your child vaccinated. Wish you and your family a very healthy life. Thank you.